Hello and good morning. Welcome to day 25 of the Sun Salutation Challenge. We're in the final week, final home straight. So hopefully you've enjoyed the variations of our Sun Salutations and it's a good start to the day or whenever you're doing it. So we're going to start at the front of the mat. Toes together, heels slightly further apart. Just bring the shoulder blades towards each other. We're retracting them. Palms face forward. Inhaling, reaching the hands high. Palms together, exhale, forward fold. Keep the back straight. The knees can bend to a point depending on how comfortable you're feeling. Inhale, lengthen, look forward. And exhale, forward fold. Take a step back with both feet. Knees to the floor. Let's modify our first chaturanga of the day. Exhale, lower. Chest comes down towards the floor. Inhale, cobra pose. So we're engaging lower back. Shoulders draw down and elbows towards the ribs. Exhale, lower. Chest to the floor. Push back. And child's pose, ever so briefly. Inhaling. Peeling up to a tabletop and then to a downward dog. Toes, heels grounding. Well, the heels may be off the mat, just depends wherever your body is taking you today. Inhaling, bend the knees. Exhaling, step, walk or jump to the front of the mat. Look forward, flat back. Legs may feel a little straighter now. Exhale, forward fold. Hands to mat, head to knees. Inhaling, slowly peeling up, vertebrae by vertebrae. Ground through your left foot. Just bring the right knee forward. Hold the right knee. Just notice the adjustments on your left side to keep that balance. Engage Uddiyana Bandha or the core. Exhaling, right foot to floor. Inhaling, left knee raises. Hold the left knee. As you hold the left knee, maybe help draw it higher. Exhaling, placing foot to the floor. Inhaling, reaching the hands high, number 2. Exhaling, forward fold, hands to mat, head to knees. Inhaling, flat back, look forward. Exhaling, step or lightly jump to the back of the mat. Modified plank or full plank. Exhale, lower chaturanga. Elbows stay tucked in. Inhaling, upward dog. Ooh, feeling that front body lengthening. Ground through the palms of the hands. Exhaling, downward dog. Inhaling, bend the knees. Exhaling, step, walk, jump to the front of the mat. Look forward. Hands can come to the shins. Exhale, forward. Slowly peeling up vertebrae by vertebrae. Hands sweep wide, palms together. And hands to the mat. So we're opening up the hips on today's sequence. Ground through your left foot. Right knee raises. Exhaling, bring the right knee to your right side. Try not to lean too much out in the opposite direction. Inhaling, knee to center. Exhaling, knee to floor. Inhaling, left knee raises. Keep looking forward. Hands stay on the hips. Exhaling, left knee to left side. So try to keep the left thigh maybe parallel to the floor and the left shin just angles. Inhaling, knees to center and exhaling, place to floor. Inhaling, number 3. Hands sweep wide, palms together, and exhale, fold. Speeding up the practice. Chest to thighs. Inhaling, look forward. Hamstrings warming up. Exhaling, step lightly, jump to the back of the mat. Lower chaturanga. Or modify. Inhaling, upward dog cobra. Exhaling, downward dog. Inhaling, bend the knees. Exhaling, step or lightly jump to the front of the mat. Again, then look forward. Exhale, forward fold, hands to mat. Or towards the feet, the ankles, the shins. Inhaling, hands sweep wide, palms together. Exhaling, hands to heart center. Left foot grounded, right knee raises. Then placing right foot to your left ankle now. So modification of a tree pose. Key thing is the right knee is pointing to the right side. It's a hip opener as well as a balance. Inhaling, reaching the hands high. Lengthening through the torso, shoulders draw down from the ears. Exhaling, hands to heart center. Right knee points forward, right heel to the floor, and release. Hands to hips. Inhaling, left knee bends, left heel comes towards right ankle. Again, modified tree pose in this position. Hands to center, in prayer. Inhaling, reaching hands high. And so looking forward, feeling the torso lengthening. Exhaling, hands to center, left knee comes forward. Number 4. So you're standing at the front of the mat. Inhale, reach the hands high. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, forward. Exhaling, step. Lightly jump to the back of the mat. Low chaturanga. Inhaling, upward dog. Open the shoulders towards each other. Chest reaches forward. Exhaling, downward dog. Inhaling, bend the knees. Exhaling, step. Lightly jump to the front of the mat. Hands to shins. Exhale, fold. Chin to the chest, slowly peeling up. Vertebrae by vertebrae. Hands to hips. Inhale, ground through the left leg. Exhaling, bring your right foot to ankle or calf or inner left thigh. Hands to center. Find a point that is comfortable for you. Inhaling, reaching the hands high. Exhaling, lowering the hands to center. Right knee comes forward. Place. Right foot to floor. So keeping the hip opening, whether it's the ankle, the calf, avoid the knee, or the inner left thigh. Perfectly fine. Bring left knee forward. So we should be getting a nice sense of the balance now. Exhaling. Left knee opens to left side. Left foot comes to right ankle, calf, or inner right thigh. I'm sticking to the calf today. Hands to heart center. Inhale, reach the hands high. And just notice how the right ankle adjusts to the subtle changes in your center of gravity. Exhaling, hands to heart center. Left knee comes forward. Left foot to floor. Inhaling, last time, number 5. Speeding up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, hands to mat, step back. So fewer instructions. Exhale, lower. Inhale, come forward. Upward dog. Exhaling, downward dog. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, step. Lightly jump forward. Exhale, chest to thigh, head to knees. Inhaling, hands sweep wide, palms together. And lower, hands to center. Last time, ground through, left foot, right knee rises. Find that point that's comfortable, ankle, calf, or inner thigh. And then raise the hands high. So just by moving the gaze, we can slowly bring our gaze towards our hands, making the tree pose, whichever variant you're in, trickier. Exhaling, hands to heart center, lowering the gaze forward. Place foot to floor. Shake it out, last time. Ground through your right foot. Left knee raises. Hands to heart center. Find the variation that works for you. Ankles, calf or inner thigh. Raise the hands high. And slowly bring the gaze up towards your thumbs. Holding for one more breath. Exhaling, hands come to center, gaze comes forward. Left knee forward, left foot to mat. Shake it out. So 5 sun salutations, working on balance, working on hip opening, engaging the core to keep that balance with various modifications on the way. Hope that sets you up for the rest of the day, whatever time of day you're doing this exercise, and look forward to seeing you over the next week for the final few days of our Sun Salutation Challenge.